Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And typically you see me using a bunch of different equipment. And every now and then I'll use something and it's not intended use, right? And this right here is my Earth and Turf 415 SP top dresser. It's a ride-on, stand-on top dresser, self-propelled, super efficient. And I am absolutely in love with it. One of the coolest machines I think I own, just because of how efficient it is and how versatile it is. I'm gonna show you some versatility today. I like using things not in a way to harm or hurt my equipment or do damage to it. I'm very respectful to the equipment, but also work it. I work it hard. That's what it's here for. That's why I spent the money on it, is to work it so I don't have to use this thing, my back, to do it. So with a top dresser, typically you're going to want a material that is a finer ground type material, and that way it can spread. Now you can see my clay right here for the infield. It's a 60-40 clay sand mix. Got good moisture in it. See how it holds together right there, and then see how it crumbles apart. So that would be like a fine texture, and compost is the exact same texture of that, or at least the compost I use. So in my mind, I'm thinking this thing should spread this stuff like a champion. This is one of the fields that has dirt base pass, you know, from third to home and then from home to first. And this is low in here. This is a little bit low, so I need to add material. Yeah, I could take the bucket with a tractor and dump scoops and then take the ABI and grade it out. But I wanted to use this as an opportunity to try out this machine with this material, just to see if it's possible. It will be a neater job because there's no chance of me getting any material on either side in the turf. I can spread it more even so that I don't have to spend as much time grading. So it's several benefits to it, but you know, the main thing is I just want to see if I can do it. So if you see a little bit of trash in here, this is netting from where they laid netting down up there and planted grass seed or something. And that's just the only place we had to dump. So it's all this is like the sod netting. When I grade out the infield, it'll be easy to get that out with the Vibraflex. Next time I do need to be a little bit more careful dumping so I don't get clay mix all over my dash. So that's actually working fantastic, but I want to open this joker on up so it doesn't take as long. So let's go as high up as it'll go. That should be it. Wow, I'd say that's a winner chicken dinner. That looks pretty dang good. With a little bit of practice, you could almost lay it out in the baselines, roll it, and move on. You wouldn't even have to grade it out. So I'm impressed. Well, there you go. That's how you use a machine that ain't quite intended to be used for this, but you can do it. So I'm pretty tickled with the way that works, and I'll keep thinking of different ways to use this machine, and I'll show you everything I come up with. As always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. Check you later. And it makes for a pretty good wheelbarrow.